Today we are at the Rainbow Trout Farm in Sandy, Oregon. We started bringing our kids out here 25 years ago. They give you the poles there and the buckets and the nets and the bait and send you out to one of their several ponds, and you get to kind of select the pond per the size of fish you want. They've got this little pond here that has smaller fish. We started there today because it was pretty slow, and then we graduated up to this pond where they've got some bigger fish, but they just weren't biting right at the beginning. But that doesn't last long at the Rainbow Trout Farm. You stay around a little bit and they start biting. So we started to get into them. We started getting some of these smaller fish, and then later you'll see we got some bigger ones. It's a lot of fun. Let's take a look and we'll tell you a little bit more about it as we go.
We got to this pond and got 4 or 5 here just for 4 minutes.
Better ones.
Better ones, bigger one.
Okay, let's try that again. She's good at this. Somehow she got nervous when she was performing here. She just had one on. Oh, she's got one again. Okay, bring it up on shore.
Oh, this is big one.
Good.
Big one. See?
Yeah. Well, you can probably tell it kept me pretty busy. Most of the time I didn't even have a line in the water. I just kept keeping her line in the water, and I got pretty dirty. But I'll tell you what, they make it easy here, giving you all the poles and the bait, everything you need. You don't have to bring anything with you, and so this is really nice. We ended up catching 23 fish while we were here. Of course, you're at a trout farm and you're paying for them, but it is nice to be able to just go out into nature, catch your own fish, and enjoy the whole process. Just caught another big one, but we were filming her TikTok when we did it. I bet we can still show it on here. Look at the intensity on her face here. Mostly worms and marshmallows today. She got another one. Okay, we'll take it. Well, now it's time to take the fish to get processed, where they clean them and pack them up for us.
All right, that one was a 14,
14.
11, 11, a 7.